Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Watermelon Jell-O shots. Well, they're on our drink menu today. If you've never made Jell-O shots before, too easy. Make sure you get the little Jell-O cups with the tops. Easy. You can find them on Amazon, Walmart, probably even in the dollar store. All right, so what we need to start off is we need a cup of hot water and a pack of Jell-O. So whatever your choice is. In this case, I'm using watermelon. So we're going to stir until it dissolves. When it dissolves completely, then we'll move on to the next step. So have yourself a fork, a spoon, a whisk, something to make sure that this is mixed very well. All right, so I can tell you this, that once this is mixed very well, then we will move on. Now, normally at this point, we'll put a cup of cold water and then we'll put it in the refrigerator and we'll let it gel. We'll let it come to the jellied state. Well, in this case, instead of using a cup of cold water, we're going to use 1 cup of cold vodka. Make sure your vodka is super cold. All right. Now, if you want a less potent Jell-O shot, then you're going to put a half cup of cold water and a half a cup of cold vodka, or whatever the liquor is that you choose to use. All right. So in this case, I used a watermelon Jell-O and then I used a watermelon vodka. So sky's the limit with flavors that you can do with this, I'm telling you. All right, so taste it, mix it, and then we're going to fill the little cups. That easy already. Look at that. I'm telling you, it's too easy. You can't go wrong. Hey, Brittany peeking around. All right, can't go wrong with these at all. So you're going to fill up as many as you're going to serve, sell, or use, whatever. All right. And so after you do that, you're going to put these on a tray and you're going to put them in the fridge. Now, if you do put them in the freezer, you're going to have to watch them because you don't want these to freeze. You actually want it to come to a nice jelly state. So you want them to be nice and cold, especially if you are, serving them for a party. So if you have the time, then put them in the fridge is all I'm saying. All right, so any flavor, you can mix up the flavors of vodka. So you can use a watermelon Jell-O, a peach vodka. You understand what I'm saying? Or you can use a flavored gin, like that indigo gin. That's one of my favorite flavored gins, that Snoop Dogg one. That one is really good. So use a flavored liquor. I'll tell you, get more of a punch packed into these Jell-O shots. So, but if you can dream it or think it, believe me, you can make it happen, especially with flavors. All right, so that's what you want to do. Put the top on it. That's what it looks like. Yep, and if you haven't made Jell-O shots before, go make some now. You see, they are too easy. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.